Good afternoon, everyone. It's Saturday. I've been inside my apartment the whole week. Of course, it's very hot outside, over 30, 35 degrees centigrade. So hot. But I had a reason to be inside, not being outside, with the order of a doctor. So May and June, for those 2 months, I've been cycling very actively, over 6, 7, 800 kilometers, which was quite a lot. But then, because of that, I got some infection in my butt. So I'm not allowed to ride a bike for a while. And I'm not allowed to hike for like 6, 7, 8 hours. But taking a walk for 1 hour or swimming for a short time, that is allowed. Yeah, it's really painful not to be active, but then I exercise my patience and being in stillness. Yeah, so instead of sitting and complaining about what I cannot do, now I'm trying to do things that I can do in the current situation. But it is so nice inside the forest because the trees make the shadow, so it's not so hot, but the smell of the forest is so nice. Where are you right now? And how are you doing? Wherever you are, however you are, stay positive and try to find a way to things that make you happy and feel energized. With that, I wish you a wonderful Saturday. Bye for now.